You know, yeah. I beg you, baby, kick it to the left now. If you wanna eat it, no pressure.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Today I have a little hair tutorial. I'm just getting ready to go out. I got this red wig. This hair is from VIPWIGS. It's like, I don't know what to call it. Like, I don't know if it's burgundy, because it does look kind of burgundy, but in real life, guys, it's a bit red. Like, it's not so much on the burgundy side, if you get what I mean. So this wig is from VIPWIGS. In the box they do give you like a wig cap, they give you comb. Yeah, it's a full frontal wig. I think it's like a 13x6 parting space. I did try and bleach the knots on it, but it didn't really bleach. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with the colouring of it. But yeah, I tried my best, it didn't work. So now we're gonna finesse it. So what I'm gonna do, just get like a deep size swoop, and I might just cut the ends because the ends are a bit ratty on the wig. So I might just cut it to about here, blunt cut, do like a little 90's vibe. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Right, guys, so what you see me doing right now is kind of sectioning like the little, like a little crown area. That's where I'm gonna have my fringe. So I already kind of adjusted my side part, and then I took as much hair as I needed to make my fringe. And like I said, the ends of this hair was a little bit ratty, so I didn't want to keep the ends. So I decided to go like a lot shorter than what the hair originally was. I just blunt cut it and then straightened it. So while I was straightening it, to get like that cute little 90's vibe, I just went and bumped the ends just a little bit. Straightened out all the hair, and I was happy with how I bumped the ends. I went in and I was looking at how I was going to position the swoop, if the hair was okay. The hair was a bit too long, and it was really unnecessary to be that long, so I just cut it a little bit short and straightened it out. When you do your swoop, you want to make sure like you're kind of pushing the hair forward. So you don't want to push the hair like to the side. You kind of want to push it forward and let it set forward so that it can kind of naturally do its own kind of swoop. So I just hot combed that into place, and it was so easy, guys. I literally did this whole look in like 20 minutes. So what you see there is that I literally just sprayed some Got2b and hot combed it just so that the swoop would stay in place, so that it wasn't moving around and stuff like that. And 2 grips, like that's all I needed, 2 grips to secure it, and then I was good to go. But I did really like this style. Like, obviously I've never tried red before. This was kind of my first time. But I think if I do ever try this style again, I'd love it with some jet black bundles. I think I'm still getting used to seeing myself with red hair, to be fair. So I hope you guys enjoy this little look. It was just a quick video, something small. You could even do like a half up, half down with this. Wait. You could even do like a half up, half down with this, which would be mad cute. That would look so preppy. I feel like when you blunt cut anything, it just looks good. Like anything with a blunt cut, it looks good. This wig, once again, is from VIP Wigs. I've had one of their wigs before, and I have to honestly say this isn't one of their best units. The colour is beautiful. However, the hair does tangle a little bit, and it doesn't feel as soft as the hair I've had from them previously. I've had curly hair from them and straight hair. This is still a nice wig. The lace was easy to work with. Like, I've just glued this down with Got To Be Glue. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you guys do this style. If you guys do, then you best tag me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.